turn upside down and shake. Braid the out the braid out the braid. So I'm going to be going in with my edge control. Welcome back to my channel, and in this video we are going to do a braid out using shea butter and edge control. Now my hair has been washed and conditioned. It is time to moisturize it. I have some shea butter in my hair already because the conditioner I used was extremely drying. The leave-in conditioner I tried to use was even worse, so I had to go in with my shea butter to just seal in some of the moisture and condition my hair a little bit. So what's going to happen is I'm going to split my hair in sections, of course, then go in with the braids, the shea butter, some more shea butter, then edge control. I'm just going to go in with this Ghanaian shea butter, raw shea butter. Then I'm going to detangle my hair. And I'm going to go in and detangle from ends to root. So I'm just going to put this in a knot. My hair has been fully sectioned or fully moisturized. I'm going to start from the back to start installing the braids for the braid out. I am not going to be particular, specific or precise with the parts. This edge control is just random generic edge control from Nigeria, and I foresee myself finishing this in this tutorial. I am going to be parting my hair with my fingers. Now we're going to go in with the edge control. This is what it looks like. So I'm going to apply that to that. That was that a lot? I'm just going to smooth my hair down with it using my thumbs and my forefinger. Then I'm going to go in with the braid. Wow, it has been long since I braided my hair. Big ups to the gel. It is giving my hair it's giving my hair some slip, some very much deserved slip. So first braid complete, however many more to go. The braids are done and I have 16 in total. 8 on this side, 8 on this side. So what I'm going to do now is I am going to go in with this Sulfur 8 for my scalp, because for some time now I have been dealing with an itchy scalp. I try to fix it by not putting products on my hair and leaving it in anymore, basically resulting to hot oil treatments, leaving it in overnight, then washing it out. That worked for me for some time, but after some weeks my scalp started itching again, but the itch this time was different because it was due to having my dry scalp. I had to use Vaseline on my scalp at some point, and it really helped to cool it down. So I realized that instead of putting plant oils and plant oils and butters on my hair, is best on my scalp, sorry, it's best I just go in with something medicated with petroleum jelly and sulfur to really help with my issues. So that is why we have Sulfur 8 in the building today. And my upcoming hair growth challenge is going to feature sulfur 8 and some very juicy ingredients, very juicy additions, no ingredients. So that's it for the application. Now I am going to lay my edges with the edge control. Doesn't need much laying, but now edges have been laid. It is time to trim my hair. I've grabbed my hair shears, and the reason why I'm trimming my hair is because my ends are pretty bad right now, and the way they are moving, if I dare take these braids out tomorrow without sorting my ends out first, it's going to ruin the whole style. So I'm just taking off a good bit just to make the takedown process easy. So I'm taking off like an inch, and I'm done with the trim. It's time for me to seal my ends with this coconut oil from Luster's Silk. This is also a purchase from Ghana. It smells nice. I'll give it that. I'm just calling it a disappointment because this is not coconut oil. We are done sealing my hair. Final look before I tie it up. This is how it looks from the back. To go to bed, I'm going to be tying my hair down with my satin scarf so that it can stay laid and frizz free. So just going to tie that up. So I'm going to check back in tomorrow when it is fully dried to give you guys, to take it down first, fluff it out, then give you guys the final result. So see you in the morning. It's the next day. My hair is fully dry, mic is on, face is and it's time to take stupid. To ensure, to be doubly sure that it was dry, I went in with my blow dryer on the roots, and I even stretched it out a bit, as you can see. So I'm going to be taking it down with some hair polish for some shine and also lubrication. So just going to apply that to the hair just like that. If you're in Nigeria, I don't know, they tend to be generic, but if you go to maybe ShopRite or Roban stores, if you are in the east, all these hair polishes that are for wigs that come in compact bottles that are that are a little bit thick and very shiny, that's what I'm using right now, and I noticed that it is very good for my hair. Yesterday I trimmed the braids a bit just to make this takedown process a little bit easy, and it worked. I am not seeing any obstacles, and my hair is extremely moisturized. This is the first braid taken down, so I am just going to go in and gently separate. I don't think I'm going to see any volume with this because of the stretching I did with the blow dryer. It's very flat. This is the last braid, and I'm just going to separate it where it wants to be separated, just like that. It's easier to separate these ones in the front. The back is a little bit harder, but I rather the back be crazy than the front. So now to add volume to this, because I don't know if it has any volume at all, I'm just going to turn upside down and shake. Okay, see, side to side, then I'm going to hit you with the back. This is the back. Get a good view. Let me see if I can eliminate any parts that I feel. And my hair is still moisturized. Well, that's it for this video, guys. If you liked, so consider, supporting the channel. And if you want to see any content at all from me, drop down in the comment section and identify. That's it for this video. Cheers. Love you. Bye.